Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Aine, renowned as the Irish goddess of summer, sovereignty, and fertility. Part 1. Significance of goddess Aine. What does Aine represent in mythology? In Irish mythology, Aine is often described as a radiant and beautiful figure associated with the sun and the summer solstice. She is revered as a goddess of love, growth, and abundance. Aine is also linked to the agricultural cycle, overseeing the ripening of crops and the prosperity of livestock. Furthermore, Aine holds a significant role in the realm of sovereignty. She is considered a queenly figure who bestows power and authority upon kings and rulers. Legend has it that she would offer her blessings and favor to deserving leaders, while also challenging and dethroning those who ruled unjustly or neglected the well-being of the land and its people. Aine is often associated with sacred sites such as hills, stone circles, and wells. These locations were believed to be gateways to the other world, and Aine was thought to possess the ability to travel between the mortal realm and the realm of fairies or supernatural beings. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Aine. Radiant sovereignty, embracing the archetypal essence of goddess Aine. As a goddess associated with love, fertility, and abundance, Aine represents the harmonious interplay between the earthly and divine realms. Her presence evokes a sense of joy, sensuality, and creative expression, inspiring individuals to embrace their inner light and cultivate a deep connection with the natural world. Aine's archetypal essence beckons us to honor our own sovereignty, nurture our passions, embrace our desires, and our innate power to manifest a life of abundance, love, and fulfillment. Part 3. Symbols associated with goddess Aine. Sacred creatures, the swan and hare, as symbols of transformation and intuition. Goddess Aine is closely intertwined with the natural world. She is often associated with delicate and vibrant flowers, embodying the essence of beauty, growth, and renewal. Blooms such as the primrose rose and meadowsweet are believed to be connected to her energies, symbolizing love, fertility, and the abundant blessings of nature. Furthermore, Aine's realm includes the graceful presence of animals like the swan, symbolizing grace, transformation, and spiritual transcendence. The mystical hare also holds significance in her symbolism, representing fertility, intuition, and the cycles of the moon. Through these potent symbols of plants and animals, goddess Aine invites us to honor the interconnectedness of all life, embracing our own inner radiance and the transformative power of love, growth, and the natural world. Part 4. The story of goddess Aine. The radiance of Aine, embracing Ireland's mystical beauty and power. In the ancient and mystical lands of Ireland, there existed a mesmerizing goddess known as Aine. Her ethereal beauty and enchanting presence embodied the very essence of nature's allure and the profound strength of sovereignty. Aine's radiance touched every corner of the land, from the golden caress of the sun's rays to the whispered secrets carried by the winds. The landscapes bloomed under her watchful gaze, adorned with an expansive range of vibrant colors that mirrored the depths of her mystical realm. Aine was known to hold the key to the harmonious interplay between the earthly and divine realms. Her touch brought forth blooming flowers, fertile fields, and bountiful harvests. The people revered her as the protector of their prosperity and the guardian of their deepest desires. One fateful day, a young farmer named Liam found himself in dire straits. His crops withered, and his once thriving farm faced the threat of famine. Desperate and seeking guidance, Liam embarked on a journey to find Aine, hoping that her divine presence could bring salvation to his land. After days of traversing through rugged hills and dense forests, Liam arrived at a sacred grove known to be Aine's dwelling place. As he entered, he was captivated by the ethereal beauty that surrounded him. The air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and a gentle breeze carried whispers of ancient wisdom. Just as Liam was about to call out to Aine, she appeared before him in a radiant glow. Her eyes sparkled with compassion, and her voice carried the soothing melodies of nature. Aine listened to Liam's plea and understood the weight of his burden. Filled with empathy, Aine extended her hand and touched the barren soil, infusing it with her abundant energy. Instantly, the fields around Liam's farm burst into life. Vibrant greenery sprouted from the once lifeless ground, and crops flourished under the nourishing touch of Aine's magic. Grateful beyond words, Liam fell to his knees, expressing his heartfelt gratitude to the goddess. Aine smiled, her presence radiating warmth and reassurance. She imparted wisdom upon Liam, teaching him the importance of honoring the cycles of nature, tending to the earth with care and embracing the power of his own sovereignty. From that day forward, Liam became a devoted steward of the land, nurturing it with love and respect. The abundance flowed not only into his fields, but also into the hearts of the people in the surrounding villages. Word of Aine's benevolence and Liam's flourishing farm spread throughout the land, inspiring others to seek her guidance and embrace their own divine potential. Aine's essence carried through the winds and whispered in the songs of birds, became a beacon of hope and a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life. As generations passed, Aine's legacy endured, weaving itself into the fabric of Irish folklore and the hearts of the people. She remained a symbol of love, abundance, and the innate power within each individual to manifest a life of fulfillment and prosperity. To this day, Aine's presence lingers in the emerald landscapes of Ireland, reminding all who seek her wisdom to honor the cycles of nature, cultivate their inner sovereignty, and embrace the transformative power of love and abundance that resides within their own hearts. Part 5, 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation, tapping into the power of the Aine archetype. Strategy 1, embrace the power of intention. Harness the innate power of your intentions to shape your reality. Quantum physics teaches us that our thoughts and intentions can influence the outcomes we experience. Set clear and positive intentions aligned with your personal growth and transformation. Use visualization techniques to vividly imagine the life you desire, engaging the power of your brain's neural networks to reinforce these intentions. By aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcomes, you can tap into the quantum field of possibilities and manifest meaningful change in your life. Strategy 2, connect with the healing energies of nature. Aine's embodiment of the enchantment of nature offers us a profound opportunity for personal transformation. Neuroscience research reveals that spending time in nature can have a positive impact on our well-being and brain function. Take moments to immerse yourself in natural environments, whether it's a forest, a park, or a garden. Engage your senses by observing the intricate details of plants, feeling the earth beneath your feet, and listening to the soothing sounds of nature. This connection with the natural world activates the brain's relaxation response and promotes a state of calm and clarity, facilitating personal transformation and inner growth. Strategy 3, embracing inner radiance and joy. Aine is a goddess associated with the sun, love, and happiness in Irish mythology. Cultivate practices that bring you joy, such as dancing, singing, or engaging in creative pursuits. Spend time in the sunlight and soak in its energizing rays. Practice gratitude for the blessings in your life and spread kindness and love to others. Part 6, why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Find a quiet and sacred space, altar, where you can perform the ritual undisturbed. Arrange the fresh flowers or herbs on the altar, symbolizing the beauty and vitality associated with goddess Aine. 2. Light the yellow or gold candle, representing the radiant energy of Goddess Aine. Close your eyes and visualize her warm and comforting energy surrounding you. 3. Take a piece of paper and a pen. Reflect on areas of your life where you seek transformation, growth, or a deeper connection with your inner radiance. Write down your intentions, desires, or goals related to these aspects. 4. Hold a small mirror in your hands and gaze into it. Look deeply into your own eyes, acknowledging your own divine essence and inner beauty. Affirm self-compassion and self-acceptance by saying aloud positive affirmations such as, "I am worthy of love and joy," or, "I embrace my unique gifts and strengths." 5. Sit in front of the altar and spend some time in quiet contemplation. Meditate on your intentions and desires, visualizing them manifesting in your life. 6. Express gratitude to Goddess Aine for her presence and guidance during the ritual. Thank her for her transformative energy and her support in your personal growth. Blow out the candle. 7. Take the piece of paper with your intentions and place it somewhere meaningful, such as under your pillow or in a special box. Throughout the following days or weeks, revisit your intentions, take inspired actions, and trust in the transformative power of Goddess Aine's energy within you. A final message. Words of wisdom from Aine. Your true essence is a reflection of the boundless joy and enchantment that resides within. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.